Hey Cachers, Derek here at Big Six Clan. Today we're actually going to an event, and this is a special event for some of my friends here in the Charleston area. Okay, so I'm here with Brush Boy and Brush Girl, and this was their event that they put on. So why was this a special event for y'all?
This was our 300th regular event that we have attended.
So it was a milestone for us.
Yeah. That's just really cool. I mean, I'm nowhere close to being at 300 events of any type of event. So this is your 300th regular event. How many other events would you say you've been to?
We have about 12 or 13 megas, 1 giga, and probably 15 CETOs.
Okay.
In addition to the 300 regulars.
Right. I mean, getting 300 regulars is really cool. Now, why do you think events are important? Events are very important to get to know your fellow cachers. You can exchange ideas. You can look at the web pages, and it's a good way to interact with your fellow geocachers. Yeah, because remember, geocaching is more fun with friends. I mean, I kind of have a saying: friends don't let friends cache alone. So, coming out to doing events, you get to meet people, you get to hang out. Sometimes you get to have food. You don't have to eat the food, but you get to eat food. And I mean, I didn't get this way not eating food. Trying to lose that food that I've eaten too much of. But
we all have that problem.
We all do, and it's a good thing for us getting outside to help lose that weight as we're caching. So, but we got to have that fuel. Now, with the events, what would you say to those that have never even attended an event?
Go out, go to an event. Sign up, show up. Everybody's friendly. I've never been to a bad event.
Not at all.
Yeah, it's and we will probably go to one. This is Tuesday. We'll probably go to one on Thursday in Savannah.
Okay.
There's an event for Valentine's Day. It's at a donut shop, so just have a donut.
What says more about love than having a donut? So, all right, guys. Hey, if you've never been to an event, go to an event. There's events all over. Look on your map, find it, go to one. I mean, if you don't like it, hey, you know what? Don't go again. But at the same time, some people only like going to events. I mean, geocaching, there's many ways to geocache, and events does still count as a cache. So hey, if this is the first time you've watched Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button just right over here. Give me a thumbs up. Yep, it's right over here. Right over here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and tell me, what is the coolest event that you've ever been to? All right, I'll see you here next time.
Going caching.
Going caching is coming up.
Going caching over in Rome, Georgia.
Right, then we got GeoWoodstock coming up, and I am going to be sponsoring a team for GeoWoodstock for a special event there. So hey, if you want to be part of that, leave me a comment down below. All right, I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.